Baltimore, where persistent sexual health disparities continue to impact underserved communities, one organization is proving that culturally responsive, community-rooted solutions can move people from awareness to action. RnD Associates, in partnership with the Baltimore City Health Department and leading community stakeholders, is building a powerful model for public health impact.
Hello, my name is Rupkat Nafu, and I'm the founder and CEO of RnD Associates, a capacity building entity headquartered in Baltimore City.
One that combines trusted messengers, evidence-based education, strategic partnerships, and real-time community engagement.
My name is Wesley Hawkins. I'm the executive director and founder of the No Leader Project. I'm also an RnD Associate Ambassador. My organization, we work with Baltimore City Public School youth. And a part of this organization, we are actually educating, teaching, and training youth how to have safe and protective sex. Also a part of that is teaching them about PEP and PrEP, how they can protect themselves.
Hi, I'm Delana Watkins, Executive Director and founder of the Women's Wellness Lounge. I'm also an RnD ambassador, and our work in the community focuses on marginalized women who need and require education around PrEP and PEP. So we provide them education around their sexual and reproductive health in the community as well as at our center. And so we provide this in such a way that it is very non-conforming and that women feel as though they are in a safe space to be seen and heard.
My name is Michelle Pettis, and I am the author of Leaving Large, The Stories of a Food Addict. And I am so excited to be a sexual health ambassador with RnD Associates. In my role as an ambassador with RnD, I am the co-editor of Promoting Sexual Health in Black Churches. I also, on a monthly basis, conduct healing through reading, writing, and storytelling workshops at 2 local churches called the Reflections of Love.
Hello, my name is Renee Weber. I am the CEO and founder of the Queen Sisterhood Society. We are a sisterhood and investment club. We also have a nonprofit arm that teaches financial literacy, personal development in Baltimore City schools. I'm an ambassador with RnD Associates, and I'm so excited to do the work with Repka and our team because I was a teen mom and I definitely want to get the word out about sexual health, protecting yourself, and doing all of the things to prepare yourself for a brighter future.
RnD's sustainable model prioritizes the pressing areas in the city that require the most support, while also ensuring that future generations are educated and equipped to lead change. Take a glimpse into how RnD is leading powerful partnerships and change with Morgan State University students and community leaders.
Today, it gives me tremendous pleasure to be at the space at Morgan State University, a historically Black college and university. And we are partnering with them in a big way to promote sexual health throughout Baltimore City. And so we have all of our ambassadors who are working in diverse communities right here for continued education about how our strategies and enhancing our strategies, strengthening our strategies so we can have greater reach and more impact to reach population where they are to promote their health and well-being, in particular around healthy relationship and sexual health.
I am Dr. Robin Butler here with the School of Community Health and Policy, Department of Public and Allied Health. I am here with our health education students and ambassador. I look forward to working very closely with Repka along with our health education students in educating many of our Morgan State University students about HPV awareness and uptake.
Hey everyone, I'm Alton Bower. I am a senior student here at Morgan State University. I'm a health education major with a concentration in administration. The event I just went to was absolutely mind-blowing and amazing. We got a chance to learn from so many different leaders, so many different ambassadors who were able to educate us, allow us to feel fulfilled and feel that much more developed.
Hello, my name is Tanisha Badu. I'm a senior at Morgan State University and I'm majoring in health administration. Today, we learned about PrEP and PEP. I've already known about PrEP specifically, but I didn't really know the difference between the two until today. Obviously, PEP is the one that you take after, and PrEP is the one that you take before. And they showed us a great video just going in a little bit more details and just about Baltimore and things like that. And it was just a great experience overall, just learning more about the difference between the two.
My name is Kaya Millage. I am the Community Engagement Specialist for the Baltimore City Health Department Bureau of Maternal and Child Health, Prenatal to Child Behavioral Health Unit. I attended the RnD Associates Sexual Wellness event. It was an amazing event. I learned that no matter how young or seasoned we are, the fight for community health is still prevalent, it's still a priority in our community. And just to see the students follow that idea and still have that goal in mind or that initiative in mind makes me, not only as a Morgan alum, super proud and super happy, especially being that student at one point in time, but also as a person and someone born and raised in Baltimore.
Today I was given different resources on places to go get tested. We were giving the facility here at Morgan State University to get tested, to learn more about the vaccination of HPV and things of that nature. It was definitely a blessing to be here.
At RnD, innovation and care triumph, and there is no limit to the ways in which they reach those who need it most. RnD Associates continues to look for ways to broaden partnerships and expertise that drive the change that will save lives.
I am Dr. Tahira Mahdi. I'm a community psychologist, consultant, and filmmaker, and I'm excited to be working with the Sexual Health Ambassadors Program because with my work, I deal with community membership, how we relate to different communities, and I use filmmaking and also novel writing, fiction writing to connect to communities, and I think this is a wonderful opportunity to meet more people. I look forward to bridging the gap between different communities. That's my specialty. I do it through writing, also do it through community health research, and I just really look forward to working with the rest of the ambassadors.
Let's take a glimpse into a convening held with RnD's Sexual Health Ambassadors and an organization called BELN, the Baltimore Entrepreneurship and Leadership Network, a coalition of Baltimore's leading entrepreneurship and leadership organizations. RnD's Sexual Health Ambassadors didn't just deliver a presentation. They demonstrated a scalable, cross-sector approach to prevention, healing, and systems-level change.
I want to take a little time to introduce myself. I am LaShawn Kroom, affectionately known for the last 20-something years in Baltimore as Mama Gina. I stand before you today not just as the founder and CEO of Own Your Ashe, but as a passionate advocate for holistic development of girls and women. Within our community, at Own Your Ashe, we operate 6 dynamic programs designed to coach and develop individuals using a framework that's culturally responsive, liberatory, and intergenerational. That's our framework. Our mission is deeply rooted with many, many years of experience working on the ground in Baltimore. And I joined the Ambassadors Fellowship because I found that while mental health discussions in my community, in the Black community, can be challenging at times, there is another topic that's even more challenging and almost taboo, and that's sexual health. Talking about, learning about sex is even more taboo.
Hi, my name is Sierra Daniel. I am the founder of God is Here Media, where we use the power of faith and media to change the world. Our target areas are disease prevention, adverse childhood experiences, sexual health, and literacy. Today, I had the honor to be a sexual health ambassador with RnD Associates and present a video public service announcement to target Black women in the underrepresentation in PrEP and PEP messaging. It is an honor to be surrounded by so many sexual health ambassadors here today. We look forward to changing the world through the power of faith and media. My name is Asia Carey, and I'm the Executive Director of Crayons and Culture. Today, I had the amazing opportunity and privilege to see the Sexual Health Ambassadors of RnD Associates. Very powerful presentation. Really appreciate the scope of the collective and the impact that the members are having in Baltimore City. As a nonprofit founder and ED, working with young people, I felt extremely compelled to see how I can incorporate sexual health in my programming and would love to partner more in the future. Great job, ambassadors.
I'm Jarrell Wilson, Executive Director For My Kids. And being an ambassador for RnD Associates is awesome because we get the opportunity to go into the communities to help and give back and teach and educate individuals how important it is to protect themselves and guide themselves throughout the success and make sure they focus in our community.
We want to reduce the STI rates that's in Baltimore City. We want to reduce unwanted pregnancy, and we want to protect them and promote treatment for prevention, such as PrEP and PEP, and also HPV vaccine. So we are a partnership of several organizations to promote wellness in Baltimore City.